Ano yung non-negotiable mo ngayon na masasabi mo ang layo na ng peace of mind mo noon versus ngayon? Kasi nagkikwento mo sa akin, yung freedom mo ngayon mas malawak na, yung fulfillment mo ang lalim na rin. But above all, feeling ko you have joy right now based on how we interact yesterday.
You have to take care of the money-making machine. I have to meditate para ma-make sure na yung headspace ko is on the right path. Kumbaga, I'm in full awareness and also in full alignment with my thoughts, words, actions aligned, and the operating system, how I operate right now. And that is through core values. Before kasi coach, hindi ko alam clearly kung ano ba yung mga core values na yun. But when I got into your coaching, ito dapat yung mga core values. You have to be coming from compassion, loving, you have to be considerate. But of course, how are you going to cooperate naman when it comes to business? You have to be excellent, professional. So those core values, cause ang dami niya eh. And that's why lagi ko sinasabi din sa mga students ko, it's like having Pokemons na you can have 3 muna for now, kunin mo muna yung 3. Once you graduate from that 3 Pokemons, pwede ka na ulit kumuha ng bago mong Pokemon. Naiisip ko lang dati coach, before ako mapunta sa inyo, tough love ako eh. Na I got this result from having tough love, pero nagkaroon ako ng bearing, nagkaroon ako ng resistance na bakit ganun, hindi na nag-work yung tough love. And yung mga tao lumalayo na sa akin because again, it's tough. And dun ko nakita na, dapat pala magkaroon na ako ng vulnerability kasi tapos na ako sa survival mode eh. Kailangan ko na maging open, kailangan ko na maging compassionate. Kita-kita agad ko yung result na people are already gravitating again towards me. It's working and I just have to continue what I have to do.